guys, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you are new, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a video. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about an interesting topic, which is about graduation outfit ideas. The do's and the don'ts, we're going to talk about it all. This topic is really exciting to me because I am graduating this year, 2021, and so I've been doing some shopping to find, the perfect dress for my graduation. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the video.
The first outfit I tried is a blue blazer dress and some black stilettos. I think this would really look cool for graduation because the dress is not too lengthy, the heel is not that long, so I think this would be perfect.
So I'm going to start by talking about the do's and the don'ts, you guys. Okay, especially for girls, some girls are not really into this makeup stuff and all that, or maybe so you're used to wearing wigs and you're used to carrying braids, something like that, and then you decide on your graduation day you want to try something new. Yeah, that's beautiful because you really want to look great, right? So I think if you want to try something new, you need to make sure you practice that look maybe 2 or 3 times before the day, especially if it's makeup. Makeup is very tricky because one person will be looking so beautiful throughout their academic years just to look like a clown on their graduation, you guys. So if it's maybe some lip stain that you want to put on your graduation, make sure you get it 2 weeks before. Try it on, see if it really matches your outfit, if it looks good on you, yeah? If it's braids, just you know what suits you. If it's a wig, make sure you install it maybe 2 or 3 times. Make sure it's the one, because these graduation pictures, you're gonna be looking at them for the rest of your life, and you don't want to look, somehow. So yeah.
The second outfit I'm trying on is on H&M and is a 2-piece, a slack and a top. One thing I like about this outfit is the shoe. There's going to be so much standing on the graduation, so you need to wear a shoe that doesn't make you look like you are falling. So this is perfect.
And the other thing is, I feel the other thing is the dress. People nowadays, or maybe even, I don't know, feel the graduation dress doesn't even matter. It's still just going to be underneath my graduation cap, so it doesn't really matter. No, it does matter, because first of all, you're going to have pictures in that, and even if it's not about the pictures, that dress holds some sentimental value, that one day or any other day that you see it, you just feel oh my god, this is the dress that I graduated with, So you need to put some respect on that dress. You need to make sure it's the perfect dress for you. It's the dress for you. Yeah?
The third outfit is a black floral dress from Mango. This is a typical dress for those who don't like tight dresses, those who like floral stuff. I think this is a thumbs up dress for me. It's not too lengthy because I wouldn't want my graduation gown to be competing length with my graduation dress. Even the heel, it's also a thumbs up because I could spend the whole day in that heel. So everything about this outfit I do really recommend.
So moving on, another don't is you do not want to be wearing something dark as if you're going to a funeral, maybe just all black. When I mean all black, I mean it has a collar, it has long sleeves, and it's lengthy. We are celebrating, if you get what I mean. We are celebrating. Wear something show some skin, wear something bright. It's your graduation day and it's only coming you guys. Anyways,
the next outfit, guys, you should tell me what you think about this outfit. Is it really for graduation? I think the only nice thing about this outfit is that nude stiletto. Otherwise, the skirt too lengthy. That blazer, okay, maybe not on my body, but guys. I say no to such outfits. Like, who? Also, this type of shoes, please, not on graduation.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, share. Hope to see you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye guys.